Hey guys, this is a Debuyere carbon steel mineral B frying pan I got from Amazon. This is the 28 centimeter version. There's also a 26 one and a 24 centimeter version. So I'll show you what's in the package and also the first steps you need to take to get the seasoning for the frying pan. It has a layer of beeswax on it so that it doesn't rust during storage and shipping. You can use it on induction and regular stoves and on gas. It does come with a small instruction leaflet. Before first use, you should wash it under very hot water to remove the beeswax from the frying pan. So hot water and scrubbing with the sponge. Before starting to use the pan, you should prepare the pan by seasoning it. You should pour about 1 millimeter of oil just to cover the bottom of the pan and heat it until smoke appears. Next, throw away carefully the oil in a pan and wipe your pan with paper towel. And the more the pan is used, the better the performance, the darker it becomes, the better it is in natural non-stick properties. So the reason to get one of these carbon steel pans is get kind of similar properties as a Teflon pan, but carbon steel, so it kind of will last you forever and you won't get Teflon in your food. A leaflet also says that you shouldn't put it in a dishwasher, it will rust, and all the carbon steel pan would bear the oven heat, but the handle should not be put in the oven for more than 10 minutes up to 200 Celsius. There's also a Pro version which has a different handle which can bear the oven for longer periods of time. I will leave a link to both pans in the description. Now I have washed the beeswax off the pan, and next I can add some oil for seasoning. I'm going to use this Moorikka Silava, which is a fat or oil which is meant for seasoning. I'll leave a link to something similar down below in the description. It's recommended to use medium heat for this seasoning and spread it with a paper towel. I had some grease also on the bottom side. So here you should leave this for 10 to 20 minutes. It should start a bit to smoke and to get that brownish color. Now after around 25 minutes the first layer is done. You can see that there's a kind of brownish layer on top. I'll turn off the heat and let it cool for an hour or so. Then we can do the second round. Maybe we need to do 3 rounds and then we can start using frying pan. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing.